Why DoorDash drivers are losing their platinum status. The truth behind the new tier program. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bestraferal Driver. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and updates. Today, we're discussing a major issue that's impacting many DoorDash drivers, losing their platinum status under the new tier program. If you've noticed a drop in your status or fewer offers coming your way, stick around to find out why this is happening and what you can do about it. DoorDash recently revamped its tier program, moving from a system that evaluated drivers every 30 days to a rolling 30-day period. On paper, this might sound like a minor change, but it's having a significant impact on many drivers. Let me share my personal experience to illustrate the problem. I lost my platinum status within just one day as the new tier program rolled out. Previously, I was a top dasher, and in an hour, I dropped to platinum. The next day, I fell to gold. This rapid decline wasn't just a blow to my status, it also affected the number and quality of offers I received. The rolling 30-day issue. The main issue with the new program is that it's based on a rolling 30-day period. This means that your performance is constantly being re-evaluated, and if you have a few off days, it can significantly impact your status. Once you lose a higher status like platinum, it becomes incredibly difficult to regain it because DoorDash won't send you as many offers. The rolling 30-day period. Imagine this. You're doing well and hitting all the metrics for platinum. Then you take a day off or have a slow day, and suddenly, you're bumped down to gold. The offers you receive decrease in both frequency and quality, making it even harder to climb back up the tier ladder. Impact on drivers. This new system is particularly harsh on drivers who can't work evenings or weekends, which, let's face it, are the prime times for making good money on DoorDash. If you're someone who can only dash during weekdays, you're at a disadvantage. The new tier system doesn't take into account your availability and instead penalizes you for not working the busiest hours. I personally don't dash in the evenings or weekends, and I've noticed a significant drop in the number of total offers I receive per day. This is especially tough for those living in rural areas where the volume of orders is already low. They're stuck with the $3 for 10-mile trips while trying to hit the required metrics for higher tiers. I always strive to be empathetic in these videos because I know there are many drivers out there struggling to even reach the basic tier. If you're in a rural area or can't work nights and weekends, it feels almost impossible to achieve and maintain a higher status. Challenges for rural and part-time dashers. For those who can't work during prime hours, this new system feels incredibly unfair. The prime money-making times are evenings and weekends, but if you can't dash during those periods, it's hard to keep up. Tips for coping with the new system. So, what can you do if you're affected by this new system? Here are a few tips that might help. Optimize your schedule. Try to squeeze in at least a few evening or weekend shifts if possible. Even a couple of hours can make a difference in maintaining your status. Focus on high-demand areas. If you're in a rural area, consider traveling to a nearby city or busy town during peak hours. The investment in gas and time might pay off with better offers. Communicate with support. If you notice a significant drop in offers, don't hesitate to reach out to DoorDash support. Sometimes, they can provide insights or even make adjustments. Engage with our community. Comment on Bestraferal Driver videos, share your experiences, and help each other out. Let's build a supportive community here where we can share tips and strategies to navigate these changes together. In conclusion, the new tiered program by DoorDash has made it challenging for many drivers to maintain their status. The rolling 30-day period can be unforgiving, especially if you can't dash during peak times. But with some strategic adjustments, you can still maximize your earnings and work towards regaining your status. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow Dashers. Let's use the comments to build a community where we can support and help each other. Drop a comment below if you've experienced similar issues or have any tips to share. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Best Referral Driver for more tips and strategies to maximize your delivery earnings. Until next time, happy dashing!